How to use Pipedrive. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Pipedrive. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So the first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto Pipedrive, and if you don't know what Pipedrive is, basically a CRM platform, and with it you can go ahead and manage all of your business. Now it's not free. All right, there is a pricing plan over here. As you can see, this is the pricing plan and the structure of it. There's the essential, the advanced, the professional, and the enterprise, and it starts from $14 all the way up to $99. All right, and you can see you have all of your features and add-ons right here at the bottom. So over here, as you can see, if you click on all plan features, see all plan features, it's going to open up this tab right here where you can see all of the features that you get. So as you can see, this is a very long list, so I'm not going to go ahead and name each and every single one of them. You can just simply come over here and read them out for you, and you can just go ahead and see what you like. So for now, we're just simply going to go ahead and try it for free. And as you can see, there is a 14-day free trial and no credit card is available. So you can try out any of these plans, all four of them, whichever one you want, and you can go ahead and get a feel of it. So for now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and try it for free. And over here, we're just simply going to go ahead and add our email address, or we can continue with Google. And then all you have to do is just enter in your username right here, add in your password and your phone number, and you are good to go. And then you just simply add in about you and the company info, and you are good to go. And once you have created an account, just simply wait for a couple of seconds for it to configure your settings. And this is how it would look like. First things first, it's going to take you over here onto the settings option, but you just simply click on this P icon right here, which stands for Pipedrive, and it'll take you back to the main home screen. Over here, you can see some check marks that you have to do in order to complete your account and get familiar with it. And you can do that as well. It's very easy. So importing data, of course, all you have to do is just import your data, upload your CSV file. You should be good to go. You can add more users over here. You can sync your email right here. As you can see, just simply click on this green button. It'll take you right over here where you can see the email sync option and just simply add a new account, or you can add the email integration as well. There's also contact sync, calendar sync, Google Drive, your devices. You can add all of these different options and get familiar with it. It's very simple. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, over here, as you can see, you will have this dashboard. You will see you have qualified, contact made, demo scheduled, proposal made, and negotiated started. All right, this is going to be your company conversation, if you will. And right over here is going to be your leads over here on the left hand side. Then you have your deals, your projects, your campaigns, your emails or mails, activities, contacts, insights, products, marketplace. If you click on the more option, you get more options as well, but we don't need to see that for now. Over here in the lead section, you will find leads for new businesses or new opportunities. And over here, you can add new lead or create lead booster for free. And right here is the live chat, all right, which is going to be for the lead booster right here. And if you activate the lead booster, you will be automatically charged $39 a month after your trial period has been over. And over here is the chatbot right here. You can go ahead and configure your chatbot as well. You can activate that as well within Lead Booster. All of these things come with Lead Booster, as well as the web form and prospector as well. Then you have the add-ons, which is the web visitor and messaging. All right. In this video, I'm just going to be telling you an overview of Pipedrive, since there is a lot of settings and stuff to do and learn about. So if I go ahead and explain each and every single one, this video will be well over an hour long. And I'm pretty sure you don't even want that. You just want a nice clean overview. In the project section, you can go ahead and add your projects right here, as you can see. And over here, you can get projects pricing access with $8 per seat per month, but it depends on you. And then down below, you have the campaign option where you can see all of your campaigns that are running. And over here, you can see that it is also has a separate pricing plan. So over here, you can create stunning emails and you can boost your campaign performance as well. This is basically an email campaign. Now, if you come back over here onto the deal section right here, if you want to add a deal, what you could do is just simply click on this plus icon. You add in the contact person, organization, their title, their value, and you select the pipeline which you have created and the pipeline stage. So as you can see, there are 4 stages which we have seen over here. There is the qualified, there is the contact made, demos the schedule, and proposal made, and then we have negotiation started. And you can add the closing date as well, and you can add the phone number, their work phone number, their email, or whatever, and visible to all groups, item owner, or item owner's visibility group and subgroup. So you can go ahead and add that as well. So let me just fill out this form. And right here, if you add in a new name, you can go ahead and add it as a contact as well. There we go. We have added it as a contact. Now we're going to add the organization. And right here, we add in the organization, the title, and the value. And then we have selected the pipeline, and we'll add the expected closing date at 30 at the end of the month. We can add the phone number over here and the visibility as well. For that, you just simply click on the save option right here, and you will have the deal right here. Now, since it is made over here, this is the qualified. Let's say we have qualified the deal. Now what we would do is we would send our representatives, all right, and we would send them over here to contact them. Then we can just simply move it right here to contact made. Therefore we know that our agency or our company has made contact with their company, and we have scheduled a demo with them as well over here. As you can see over here, if we click on this yellow button, we can schedule an activity right here. You can just simply click on schedule an activity, and over here you can add in this activity right here. You can add a call, a meeting, a task, a deadline, an email, lunch. You can add in the time. You can add in this option free or busy, which will show you or show the person viewing this whether you are free or not. And you can add in notes right here, add in participations. You can add guest location and all of that. And once that's done, you just simply click on save, and you should be good to go. You can even mark it as read as well. So over here, let's say we have this one. We can just mark it as done, and we are good to go. Just simply click on save. There we go. And after that, you just simply move it along as it goes so that you can keep a track of it. All right. It's very simple. And over here, you can see the activities that you have created on the left hand side, and you will find your contacts right here. You will have people over here. You can add them by clicking on this button right here. You have organizations as well, and contacts timeline as well. So it's all very nice, very professional, but all in all, it's a very simple tool. And of course, as I said before, there is a lot to go over. There is plenty of things to explore in pipeline. This is a very thorough and very deep software, but yes, for now I think this is enough so for you to understand what it is. So therefore, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.